Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cloth diaper cleaning system is probably one of the most essential investments a modern parent can make, offering a sustainable, cost-effective, and healthier alternative to disposable diapers, and this comprehensive system is designed to simplify the entire process, from washing and drying to storage and disposal, ensuring that your little one's sensitive skin is always protected while you contribute to a greener planet. Number 5. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Introducing a powerful solution for life's little messes. This spray is designed to effectively remove tough stains from various fabrics. Perfect for new parents, this formula is gentle yet effective. It's a must-have for any baby essentials collection. Don't let food or grease stains ruin your clothes. This spray works wonders on common household spills. Accidentally spilled coffee? No problem. This stain treater is your go-to for tackling those stubborn coffee marks. From laundry to underwear and other fabrics, it handles it all. Keep your garments looking fresh and clean with ease. Save time and money on dry cleaning. This spray offers a convenient way to treat stains right at home. What we like? This powerful spray tackles tough stains like food and grease with ease. It's designed to be safe for even the most delicate baby clothes. If you're a parent constantly battling food messes and looking for a reliable, gentle stain remover, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The diaper pail has a very good seal that locks away odors. The pail is large enough to hold several days' worth of diapers, reducing the frequency of trips to the washing machine. The pail is designed with a foot pedal for hands-free operation, making it convenient to use when your hands are full. Number 4. WaterWipes Sensitive Plus Baby Wipes. Introducing WaterWipes Sensitive Plus. These wipes are designed for the most delicate skin. They offer a gentle yet effective clean for your newborn. Made with 99.9% water, they are perfect for sensitive skin. You can trust their pure and simple formula for your baby's care. Experience the 3-in-1 benefits. They not only clean but also care for and protect your baby's skin with every use. Our unscented and hypoallergenic wipes are ideal for babies prone to irritation. They provide a safe and soothing experience. This value pack includes 720 wipes, ensuring you're always prepared. It's a convenient choice for busy parents. Join countless parents who rely on WaterWipes Sensitive Plus for their baby's daily needs. It's the gentle choice for a happy, healthy baby. What we like? These wipes are made with almost pure water, making them incredibly gentle for sensitive newborn skin. They are unscented and hypoallergenic, perfect for delicate areas. If you prioritize the purest, gentlest cleaning for your baby and are concerned about harsh chemicals, these wipes are an excellent choice. What people say. They're super gentle and perfect for my baby's sensitive skin, no irritation at all. The texture is soft but durable, and they clean up messes easily without feeling rough. They clean the best, they are always moist, there's no scent, and they have such simple minimal ingredients. They're so gentle on my baby's skin and have never caused any irritation or redness. I love that they're mostly water and don't have a strong smell or harsh ingredients. They're soft but still durable enough to clean really well without falling apart. Number 3. Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Experience a new level of clean with our handheld bidet sprayer. Its ergonomic design makes personal cleaning more hygienic and efficient than traditional methods. This versatile sprayer is perfect for more than just personal hygiene. It's ideal for rinsing cloth diapers, showering pets, or assisting those with limited mobility. Setting up your new bidet is a breeze with our easy DIY installation. No plumber needed, and we're here to help if you have any questions. Control your cleaning experience with adjustable water pressure. Switch from a gentle spray for delicate tasks to a powerful jet for rinsing. Crafted from durable, rust-proof stainless steel and brass, this bidet ensures a healthy and long-lasting addition to your bathroom. What we like? This bidet sprayer offers adjustable water pressure for a customized cleaning experience. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for cloth diaper rinsing, personal hygiene, and even pet showers. If you're looking for a multifunctional cleaning tool that's easy to install and can handle various household needs, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great diaper pail that seals and odors effectively. The diaper pail is easy to use and holds a lot of diapers. The diaper pail is made of durable plastic and is easy to clean. Number 2. LUFEIDRA Handheld Bidet Sprayer. Experience a superior clean with a gentle stream of water. It washes away residue effectively, leaving you feeling fresh and renewed. It's a comfortable choice for everyday hygiene. Our bidet is designed to fit almost all two-piece toilets and installs in under 10 minutes. No tools or drilling required, just hand tighten for a simple upgrade. This versatile sprayer offers adjustable water pressure for personal hygiene, cleaning pets, rinsing diapers, and tackling messes. It saves you money and provides a deeper clean. Engineered with premium materials, it ensures a reliable seal to prevent drips and leaks. Protect your floors and enjoy a dry, fresh-smelling bathroom with minimal upkeep. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a brass valve, it resists rust and damage. Enjoy long-lasting performance and a safe, hygienic bathroom. What we like. Engineered for reliability, this bidet sprayer features a leak-resistant design and premium stainless steel construction. It provides a thorough and hygienic clean for personal use, cloth diapers, and more. If you value durability, a leak-free experience, and a hygienic cleaning solution for your entire family, this bidet sprayer is a smart investment. What people say. This was surprisingly easy to install and use. You can control the water pressure quite easily and turn off the water to the sprayer when you're done, which was important to me with little, curious, kiddos around. It was very easy to install. It takes a couple of minutes to install the T adapter into the water pipe. After that, all I needed to do was screw in the hose and sprayer. It is great for families because it is so simple to adjust where the water is pointing. You can also spray off your lady bits, whereas most bidets are pointed at the back area only. It's very convenient for people who plan to use it on someone other than themselves as well. This sprayer is much easier for a caregiver to use or to help a child on the toilet. It's also very handy for rinsing out cloth diapers or period panties. Installation was very quick and easy. Build quality and materials are excellent. No leaks, easy to use, and good spray pattern from the nozzle. I'm particularly impressed with the hose. This is a very flexible metallic hose that looks like it should be quite resistant to abrasion and kinking. Number 1. Rockin Green Natural Laundry Detergent Powder. Introducing a revolutionary laundry detergent designed for your family's well-being. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on even the most sensitive skin. Harnessing the power of nature, this detergent is crafted with plant-based, all-natural ingredients. It's a choice you can feel good about for your home and the planet. Say goodbye to stubborn odors and hello to freshness. Its effective formula tackles tough smells while remaining safe for delicate skin, making it perfect for babies' clothes. We believe in sustainability. That's why this detergent is proudly vegan and biodegradable, ensuring a minimal environmental impact with every wash. Specifically formulated to be safe and effective for cloth diapers. Keep your baby's essentials clean and fresh without harsh chemicals. Enjoy 90 loads of pure, unscented cleaning power. It's the simple, natural solution for all your laundry needs. What we like. This plant-based detergent is specifically formulated for cloth diapers and sensitive skin. It effectively tackles odors and is biodegradable. If you're seeking an all-natural, eco-friendly detergent that is tough on odors but gentle on your baby's skin and the environment, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Gets the smells out and cleans the diapers great. This product is powerfully effective but has clean ingredients that I don't have to worry about. It comes with a scoop to measure out the detergent. It's not scented and doesn't leave a residue on the diapers or the machine. I use it for the dirtiest of dirty. Cloth diapers, cloth pads, bathroom towels, and more. I don't have to worry about brightening agents clinging to fabric and making cloth diapers water repellent and making massive buildup issues. Not all detergents have enzymes strong enough to get the bacteria out from soiled diapers. This has not failed me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.